Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Bank of America. First, open the Bank of America app on your iPhone. If you are already logged in, enter your profile and setting. For that, tap on menu. After that, tap on profile and setting or setting. Inside the setting, find login preferences or security setting. Here you see an option for Face ID, Touch ID or biometric login. Tap the switch next to the Face ID or Touch ID to turn it on. Your iPhone will now ask to confirm using your Face ID or Touch ID. Once enabled, you will see a confirmation, and the next time you will open the Bank of America, it will let you log in using your Face ID or Touch ID. If you don't see the biometric option in the app, here's how to fix. First, open the setting app. In the search bar, type Bank of America and open it, and make sure your Face ID, Touch ID is allowed for this app. Also make sure iPhone has Face ID or Touch ID set up in the setting. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.